Hello, everyone. My name is Itisham Rabbani, and I'm Solution Architect at Huawei Cloud. It's a pity that this year we have had to move the Huawei Connect conference online for a number of reasons. But thanks to advanced multimedia technology, we can still communicate and have important sessions through online platforms, which is not so different from the usual face-to-face meetings. Well, this is also one of the many benefits of digital technology. Digital transformation may sound a bit abstract, but in reality, it is closely related to every one of us and every company. In this session, I would like to share with you my thoughts about the digital transformation of governments and enterprises. Over the past 2 decades, the internet and later the mobile internet have changed our lives profoundly. During this period, the focus has been on consumers. In recent years, the industrial internet has become the new focus. The need for digital transformation of traditional industries has become more urgent than ever before. In this new wave of digitalization, governments and enterprises have taken the center stage. They are embracing digital technology with an open mind and are driving digital transformation to unprecedented levels. In Shenzhen, the Bureau of Meteorology is using 5G and artificial intelligence to improve weather forecast. Weather forecast for the next 4 hours can be extremely accurate for each 1 square kilometer area. This helps alleviate the impacts of any potential disastrous weather conditions. In the fight against COVID, the reopening of the economy, smart logistics, and many other areas, governments and enterprises alike are using digital technology to improve their ability to cope with uncertainties. In the future, this capability will be an important criteria in validating the success of digital transformation. We call this capability digital resilience. As the cloud journey continues, today many organizations have reached the new phase of cloud native. In this new phase, the focus is on business agility. Applications are born and evolve on the cloud. An important innovation also happens on the cloud. Of course, cloud native cannot be achieved overnight. Different organizations from different industries may face vastly different situations in terms of cloud adoption. So these two phases are expected to coexist for a long time. As I just have mentioned, different industries have different needs at different phases of their cloud journey. So what kind of cloud is needed for governments and enterprises that are trying to use intelligent technologies to transform their operations? Well, this is a question that is worth putting some serious thought into. I have a discussion about this with many government officials and company CIOs. In their opinion, in the early phases of cloud transformation, the main focus is about migrating applications and data to the cloud. By doing so, they can enjoy the convenience of the cloud without the usual hassle of running the IT infrastructure. So what kind of cloud do they want? First, they want a cloud platform that can match their complex organizational structure and also provide a reliable foundation for the cloud transformation of their entire businesses in the future, including their most mission-critical systems. Second, as data is becoming increasingly diverse, they need more efficient, more intelligent ways to mine data in real time. The cloud platform needs to show its unique value in facilitating data mining and driving the intelligent transformation of the end-to-end process. Third, to support rapid innovation and iteration, cloud-native methods must be adopted to develop agile applications. This process is not about disrupting existing systems and then rebuilding them from scratch. Instead, a progressive approach must be taken. Legacy and new systems have to coexist and work together to ensure business continuity. Finally, deploying a cloud platform for the government or a large enterprise is usually much more complex than people would like to think. How to best build, migrate to, and use the cloud is a huge challenge. Governments and enterprises wish to work with the best vendors so they can do things right the first time. To sum up, governments and enterprises wish to work with cloud service providers that have strong expertise in the field and that truly understand their needs so they can quickly build the right cloud for their organizations. Huawei Cloud Stack is a full-stack cloud solution designed to meet the needs of governments and enterprises. It inherits the full-stack services and capabilities of Huawei's public cloud. It provides the same APIs that Huawei Cloud provides, delivers consistent experience, and also shares Huawei Cloud's ecosystem. At the same time, it can meet all compliance requirements through on-premises deployment. Currently, Huawei Cloud Stack provides over 80 industry-leading cloud services in 12 categories. How do we build a cloud that matches the needs of governments and enterprises? Well, to do that, we have been making strategic investments in 4 areas: building a solid foundation, advancing data intelligence, improving application agility, and providing excellent services. We have launched an impressive portfolio of products and solutions. With them, we hope to help our customers accelerate the transition from cloud-based to cloud-native. Cloud infrastructure is the foundation of the cloud platform. To make sure that our customers have a solid foundation, we have put forward 4 multiples. They include multi-architecture computing, multi-cloud collaboration, multi-domain disaster recovery, and multi-level cloud management. Multi-architecture computing refers to using the CPUs of multiple vendors and having multiple resource pools in a single cloud. This means our cloud supports different CPU and architectures and virtualization technologies. This allows the customer to reuse their existing resources. Federated Cloud 2.0 enables multi-cloud collaboration by providing a unified portal to the public clouds of different vendors located across different regions. This allows the customer to quickly build a hybrid cloud. In the domain of data processing, we have seen 2 major trends: real-time analytics and intelligent production. A data lake is an important tool for analyzing massive amounts of data, and it is shifting from offline data lakes to real-time logical ones. Huawei Cloud Stack has proposed a lakehouse solution, which is a new concept that combines the best elements of both data lakes and data warehouses. Based on He2 engine, Huawei Cloud Stack builds a logical data lake to allow for collaborative data analysis across different data sources, domains, and warehouses. There is no need to move the data around, and data analysis efficiency is improved by over 50%. We have launched an intelligent data lake solution to handle massive data sets. Diversified data sets can be imported into the lakes in real time and analyzed in milliseconds. This allows customers to extract value from massive data sets in real time so they can make better data-driven decisions. Huawei Cloud Stack provides AI capabilities to help you embed intelligence in production. You can quickly deploy the models trained on Huawei Cloud to your on-premises environments. You can use pre-trained AI models and inference services on Huawei Cloud or deploy them to the edge or even end-user devices, so you can extend intelligence to where it is needed the most. Take StateGrid as an example. Using the intelligent data lake solution powered by Huawei Cloud Stack, StateGrid has reduced the time for importing electricity billing data into databases from 4 hours to 5 minutes. They have also automated power grid inspection by leveraging edge cloud synergy. The AI capabilities provided by Huawei Cloud Stack are helping StateGrid move steadily toward intelligent production and operations. Traditionally, core financial transaction system usually run on a mainframe architecture. Deploying such a system is time-consuming, expensive, and difficult to expand capacity, which has become an even more serious issue as new internet businesses are growing rapidly. Nowadays, more and more financial customers are choosing to build core transaction systems on a distributed architecture. Huawei Cloud Stack has proposed a new distributed architecture which financial customers can use to build their core transaction systems. This architecture provides full stack capabilities and can meet the requirements of financial organizations in every aspect. We provide an enterprise-grade distributed database called GaussDB. It gives you the performance, scale, and availability that you need to support your most demanding workloads. With the distributed architecture, GaussDB allows you to easily scale up storage and add up to over 1,000 nodes for a single DB instance to handle petabytes of data. Huawei also provides an enterprise application integration platform called Roma. Using its microservice governance capability and distributed middleware services like distributed messaging and distributed transaction, we can help you transform legacy applications into a distributed or microservices-based architecture, which is a better choice for your core systems. Huawei provides comprehensive professional support to ensure you can smoothly migrate to the cloud and enjoy reliable services. Huawei is your trusted partner, helping you with cloud creation, migration, and use. We have teams of experts around the world ready to help you with top-level blueprint design, cloud planning, building, and operation and maintenance. At yesterday's keynote speech, Mr. Changping An, president of Huawei Cloud, announced Huawei Cloud Stack 8.1. In addition to a robust portfolio of cloud services, this new version also offers 16 specific scenario solutions. These solutions are tailored to the specific needs of a specific industry. We expect to create a real, substantial value for our customers. Finally, I would like to end up my speech by saying that digital transformation is a journey without an end. And digital resilience has no end state either. The rapid, healthy growth of the cloud industry requires effort from all parties. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our customers, partners, and friends for your consistent support for Huawei Cloud Stack. In the future, we hope to continue to work with all of you to accelerate the intelligent upgrade of governments, enterprises, and industries, and to leverage the full benefits of the cloud to drive innovation. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Hello there, everyone. I'm David Sanchez-Plaza, Solution Architect at Huawei Cloud. It's my great honor to have this chance to share my ideas with you for Huawei Connect 2021. I'd like to talk about some of the use cases for distributed GaussDB, also known as OpenGauss, in the core financial systems. With the rise of new infrastructure, cloud computing has become an important cornerstone for digital transformations and development in China. Relying on cloud technologies, a growing number of China's top 1,000 enterprises and startups are transforming their services and promoting the digital intelligence. Cloud-based development trend is the future. We believe that cloud-native databases will be a turning point for enterprises' database upgrade plans. In the past, financial customers built their core systems on DB2 mainframes or centralized databases such as IBM, Oracle, or EMC. Now, these customers are migrating their services to cloud-based distributed databases powered by x86 or Kunpeng architectures. Cloud-based distributed solutions are especially popular in the internet and financing services. Financial customers face a number of challenges when applying distributed architectures to their financial services and core systems. Internet finance is growing incredibly fast, and traditionally centralized databases have struggled to scale up fast enough. Intra-city, active-active disaster recovery and 3 data center geo-redundant disaster recovery systems are required to ensure high availability. To ensure high performance, databases need to support hybrid transactional and analytic processing, HTAP. So, let's take a look at the database solution provided by Huawei and see how it addresses these challenges. Based on years of database experience and enterprise-grade scenarios, Huawei has launched an enterprise-grade distributed database, GaussDB. The development of GaussDB has been a core strategy for Huawei Cloud for years. This in-house developed full-stack database is designed to maximize the performance and the hardware it runs on. In addition, our R&D engineers ensures continuous technical innovation for GaussDB. GaussDB supports centralized or distributed deployments. The distributed deployment incorporates many industry-leading technological innovations and provides an extremely competitive, stable, and reliable database for enterprises to embrace internet development and mass transactions in the 5G area. GaussDB supports container deployment and can be deployed on public or hybrid clouds. It can be combined with cloud ecosystem tools to provide a one-stop solution involving the migration, development, and operation and maintenance. In addition, we provide open-source centralized GaussDB instances for partners and developers to grow and open a prosperous ecosystem. GaussDB can be deployed on public or hybrid clouds. Huawei Cloud has been technically proven with large-scale projects reaching petabytes. GaussDB can process hybrid transactional and analytical process workloads for financial-grade core transaction and batch processing scenarios. GaussDB incorporates many technologies, but I want to focus on 3 of them. NUMA reconstruction of the global data structure. This feature reduces cross-core and cross-processor conflicts. In a TPC-C test, GaussDB scored 50% higher than the average industry. Distributed optimizer. GaussDB can perform operations such as predictive pushdowns to fully maximize the processing capability of database instances. The log-free parallel log recovery. This feature makes it possible for a primary standby switchover or failover to be completed within 10 seconds. Now, let's talk of a real-world example of how GaussDB is used. One of the largest state-owned banks in China used GaussDB to reconstruct core and transaction systems into a distributed architecture. In 2017, they started mainframe offloading and reconstructing using distributed databases. They migrated the data from a centralized IBM mainframes, mid-range computers and appliances to ARM and x86-powered distributed databases. We team up with the bank to formulate the migration strategies for a couple of different scenarios. Centralized GaussDB instances were used when there were less data and workloads were reasonably light. Distributed GaussDB instances were used when there was a lot of data, high consistency was required, and there were cross-shard transactions and complex cross-database queries. After more than 2 years of joint efforts with the bank, we built 2 data centers across 2 availability zones in Shanghai based on the Huawei Cloud Stack. This arrangement can achieve an RPO of 0 and an RTO of just seconds. In addition, we built a data center in Beijing as a remote data center to meet disaster recovery requirements for the finance industry. A single database instance can support over 100,000 concurrent corrections, 10,000 transactions per second, and can handle terabytes or even petabytes of data. In the past 2 years, the bank has migrated more than 10 services to GaussDB, covering Class A core services and Class D common services. Now, let's talk about the benefits. In terms of transaction processing, GaussDB is on par with traditional DB2 databases. In terms of report analysis processing, GaussDB is more than 10 times faster. That's all for me now. Thank you very much.